Hello everyone. Are you still using basic English words like very good, very bad, very big, or very tired? If you want to sound more fluent and more advanced in English, you need to start using better words instead of these basic ones. In today's video, I will show you 10 powerful alternatives you can use in daily conversations. Let's get started. First, very good becomes excellent. Many English learners say, the food is very good. A better way is, the food is excellent. Example, the service in this restaurant is excellent. Excellent sounds more natural and professional. Second, very bad becomes terrible. A basic sentence might be, the weather today is very bad. A better sentence, the weather today is terrible. Example, the traffic was terrible this morning. Terrible means extremely bad. Third, very big becomes huge. That building is very big. That building is huge. Example, they built a huge shopping mall in the city. The word huge makes your sentence sound stronger. 4. Very small, tiny. Basic, the kitten is very small. Better, the kitten is tiny. Example, the baby was holding a tiny toy. Tiny means extremely small. 5. Very tired, exhausted. Basic sentence, I am very tired today. Better sentence, I am exhausted today. Example, after working all day, I felt exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. 6. Very smart, brilliant. Instead of saying, she is very smart, say, she is brilliant. Example, he is a brilliant scientist. The word brilliant is often used to describe someone very intelligent. 7. Very happy, delighted. Basic sentence, I am very happy to see you. Better sentence, I am delighted to see you. Example, I was delighted to hear the good news. Delighted means extremely happy. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Basic, the view is very beautiful. Better, the view is gorgeous. Example, she wore a gorgeous dress at the party. Very angry, furious. Instead of saying, he was very angry, say, he was furious. Example, the manager was furious about the mistake. Very interesting, fascinating. Basic sentence, this story is very interesting. Better sentence, this story is fascinating. Example, the documentary about space was fascinating. Now you know 10 better English words to replace basic expressions. Try using these words in your daily conversations to sound more fluent and confident. If you want to learn advanced English vocabulary every day, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning. See you in the next video.